Amazon Echo, or better known as Alexa, has a new wake name, and not only that, it has a new voice. I'm going to tell you about both coming up here, and I'm also going to show you how to switch it both with your voice and in the Alexa app. I've been calling mine by one of the few names that Amazon has allowed us to call it, which is either Computer, Alexa, or Echo. And also Amazon is another name you can call it. But recently, Amazon released a new name that you can call your Amazon Echo device, and that is the name Ziggy. And Ziggy is very easy to switch to. I'll show you how to do that both with your voice, with your Echo device, and also in the Alexa app. Obviously, the voice choice to change your name of your Amazon Echo device is much easier. All you have to do is to say, for me, my device is now named Computer, so I say, Computer, change your wake word.
Okay, you can choose from Alexa, Amazon, Echo, or Ziggy. Which of these do you like?
Ziggy.
Okay, you can call me Ziggy on this device in a few seconds.
So it does take a few moments for the name to fully propagate and update on your device. Then you're off summoning your Amazon Echo device with the new name of Ziggy. And let me show you how to do that in the Alexa app. So just open your Alexa app, and when you get into the Alexa app, go to Devices, and when you get into the Devices menu, come over here to where it says All Devices, if you have a lot of devices connected like I do, and come down here and find your Echo device. And then once you're inside the Echo device, click this cog in the upper right for settings, come down a little bit in the menu, and where it says wake word, there you will choose your wake word. And mine is now showing Ziggy since I updated it here, but you could switch it to Echo. And here it gives you the warning that it may take a few minutes. I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to keep it as Ziggy since I've already changed it. But that's all you do, and then you can back out of that menu item and it will be automatically saved pending a few moments for the system to update. The second thing that you can do, the second update that they rolled out recently, is the type of voice that you can listen to. It's primarily been a female voice all along, but they have now rolled out a male voice, and this male voice is very easy to switch to. Again, you can use your own voice activation to do this, or you can do it in the app. So if I wanted to change the voice of my Amazon Echo, all I would say is, Ziggy, change your voice.
Okay, you're all set. I'll be the voice you hear when you speak to this device.
So now, as you can see, it's a masculine voice, and if you're willing to pay a little bit of money, you can actually change the Echo voice to a celebrity. Now there's a choice of 3 celebrities right now, including Shaquille O'Neal and a couple of others. And from what I see written up about it, they don't respond in that voice for every command, but there are a lot of different commands that they will use their voice for. But again, it's a paid upgrade for you to use their voice. Now, one last thing, I was going to show you how to change the voice, the type of voice in the Alexa app. We're back in my settings for my Amazon Echo where I was before, and just right below where we were for the wake word is Alexa's voice. Come in here. This isn't very descriptive where it says original and new. They should have this labeled a little bit more specifically so you know which is which, but the original is the female voice, the new is the male voice. So if I switch here to the new, it switches over to the new male voice. So that's how you can update your Amazon Echo device very easily, whether by voice or by the app, to get these new updated features for Amazon Echo. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, or different ways that you use your Echo device creatively. Check out the other videos I have here on my channel, and be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.